Hey everybody, it's Dr. Kelly of Discovery Health Healing Center, and I'm wondering how many of you have felt so tired that the first thought that goes through your brain in the morning when you wake up or when your alarm goes off, you look at that clock and you go, oh, when can I get back into bed? Will I have a break? Will the kids take a nap after they go to school? Or I only have to work for 4 hours and then maybe I can take a nap. Are you figuring out already when you need to take a break, making sure that you can crawl back into bed because you're so dead tired, but you know you got to get up and get through your day? I mean, woman after woman who's actually struggling like that. But I'm here to give you a little bit of hope because we can make a difference. Is it your thyroid? Maybe. Has it been tested? We should test it if it hasn't been. Is it your vitamin D levels? Even though if you live in Wisconsin or maybe you live in a sunny state, routinely I find people with low vitamin D levels. A normal vitamin D level should be above 60. Don't accept that value of 30. People who have higher vitamin D levels feel better, and the research shows that less than 60 increases depression, cardiovascular disease, and other health conditions as well. So don't let it be there. Sunshine is your best way to build your vitamin D, but a lot of people need to take a supplement, and then sometimes that doesn't work enough either. So sometimes I give people a vitamin D shot to give them a boost. Makes a world of difference. Maybe that's the reason why you're so sluggish. Maybe it's your hormones. As our hormones change and going through menopause, our hormones dip down. High levels of hormones you've been used to for 30 or 40 years, and it feels different. I know, I'm there too. But it doesn't mean you have to suffer. There could be many different reasons. Maybe it's your food, maybe it's your gut health. Again, maybe it's your thyroid or your hormones or your adrenal gland. Do you know what your adrenal gland is? It's your stress organ. And now when you think of stress, don't just think about, oh, my work's not stressful. I love going to work. That's fantastic. Many people are very stressed by their work. But is it your spouse? Is it your kids? Is it the school system? Is it everything that's going on in the world today that's stressing you out? Or maybe it's because you don't sleep very well. That's a huge stressor. But you have to remember that your brain interprets all stressors: physical, mental, emotional, made up, worrying. All of those things are stressors. And I can give you a wonderful example of a woman who wanted to have more energy, wanted to be happy again, and wanted to lose a little bit of weight, but she just couldn't, no matter what she did. Doing foods, doing supplements, doing testing, and nothing helped, nothing worked, nothing was making a difference. She even did injections. Nothing worked. You know what we talked about? We talked about stress. And we started to make a few little changes to interrupt her stress response. She started to feel more supported. We're boosting up her vitamin D. She's even using our near infrared light bed called the Novathor. We are the only person in the state of Wisconsin that has medical grade, proven, research-based Novathor for near infrared technology and therapy, making a world of difference. She loves going in the bed. It gives her warmth and comfort and energy. She feels so good. Absolutely. She came in one day, she told me her plan was to come and use the bed, and then she was going to go take a nap in her truck while she waited for her husband to finish what he was doing. She never took a nap. This was her routine. She knew she needed a nap. But between these things of breaking the stress, boosting her vitamin D, helping her cells to heal and repair, getting rid of that inflammation when nothing else worked, she planned for a nap and she canceled those plans because she didn't need it anymore. How amazing is that? So come join me for a talk. We're going to talk more about your thyroid, hormones, and stress. oh my, because it's a journey and I'm going to take you on a little trip down the yellow brick road because I know you've got the power within you and I'm going to help you. My staff at Discovery Health Healing Center is going to help you. We're going to get you there. We're going to help you to achieve your goals. We're going to figure out what you need. So join me at my next talk, Tuesday, August 26th, 6 o'clock. You must register to attend. Space is limited, and we'll have more talks. So watch for videos. Go to my website, dhhealingcenter.com. Lots of videos and content there. Learn more how to help yourself, and I'll help to empower you along the way. So I'll see you real soon.